From the dawn of consciousness, humans have pondered their place within the world. The question of our origins has captivated philosophers, theologians, and scientists alike. For centuries, myths and legends provided the primary narratives for understanding our beginnings. With the rise of scientific inquiry, a new path to understanding our past emerged, one grounded in observation and empirical evidence. The quest to unravel the mystery of human origins has led us on an extraordinary journey of discovery. Today, armed with the tools of scientific investigation, we delve into the depths of time to illuminate the origins of our species. At the heart of our understanding of human origins lies the groundbreaking work of Charles Darwin. In his seminal work, On the Origin of Species, Darwin presented his elegant theory of evolution by natural selection. Darwin's theory posits that populations of organisms evolve over generations through a process of descent with modification. Individuals within a population exhibit variations in their traits, some of which are heritable. Natural selection acts as a filtering mechanism in this process. In a given environment, certain traits may provide individuals with an advantage in survival and reproduction. Over time, these advantageous traits become more prevalent in the population. Fossils, the preserved remains or traces of ancient organisms, serve as invaluable windows into Earth's distant past. Embedded within layers of rock, these petrified remnants provide tangible evidence of life forms that existed millions of years ago. The fossil record, though incomplete, paints a compelling picture of human evolution. Paleontologists have unearthed a treasure trove of hominin fossils, providing crucial insights into our predecessors. One of the most iconic hominin fossils is Lucy, a remarkably complete skeleton of Australopithecus afarensis. Lucy and her kin walked upright on two legs, a defining characteristic of the hominin lineage. As we move forward in time through the fossil record, we encounter a succession of hominin species, each with its unique set of adaptations. The fossil record tells a story of gradual change over millions of years, reflecting adaptations to their environments and lifestyles. Beyond the tangible clues etched in stone, a far more ancient record of our evolutionary history resides within our cells. This record is not written in ink or carved in stone, but encoded in the very fabric of our being. DNA, the intricate molecule that carries our genetic information, serves as a molecular chronicle of life. It is a vast library of biological information, detailing the story of life from its earliest beginnings to the present day. Advances in genetic sequencing technologies have revolutionized our understanding of human evolution. These technologies allow scientists to read the genetic code with unprecedented accuracy, revealing the secrets hidden within our DNA. By analyzing patterns of genetic variation, we can reconstruct evolutionary relationships and trace the migratory journeys of our ancestors. This genetic roadmap helps us understand how humans spread across the globe and adapted to different environments. Comparisons between the human genome and the genomes of our closest living relatives, chimpanzees and bonobos, reveal a striking degree of similarity. This genetic resemblance underscores our shared heritage and evolutionary history. This genetic kinship indicates that humans and chimpanzees diverged from a common ancestor that lived in Africa around 6 to 8 million years ago. This divergence marks a significant chapter in the story of life on Earth. Genetic analyses have also shed light on the timing and routes of human migrations out of Africa. These migrations were pivotal events that shaped the genetic diversity we see in human populations today. Through the lens of genetics, we gain an unprecedented view of our evolutionary past, revealing the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. This interconnectedness is a testament to the shared journey of all living organisms, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex humans. The story of human evolution is a complex tapestry woven from multiple threads. As we delve deeper into our past, uncovering new fossil evidence and refining our understanding of genetic relationships, the picture of human ancestry becomes increasingly intricate. Our evolutionary journey began in Africa with the emergence of the first hominins. Over millions of years, different hominin species evolved, each adapting to their particular environments and lifestyles. The path to Homo sapiens was marked by periods of innovation, such as the development of stone tools and the control of fire. Our own species, Homo sapiens, emerged in Africa around 300,000 years ago. We coexisted and likely interbred with other hominin species such as Neanderthals and Denisovans. Understanding the tapestry of human ancestry is crucial for comprehending our place in the grand scheme of life. For millennia, cultures around the world developed their own unique narratives to explain the mysteries of creation and the origins of humanity. These stories, passed down through generations, have shaped the way communities understand their place in the universe. These creation myths, often deeply ingrained in religious and spiritual beliefs, provided explanations for the natural world and human existence. They were not just stories but were considered sacred truths that guided people's lives and practices. From the ancient Greeks' belief that humans were sculpted from clay by the gods to the Aboriginal Australians' Dreamtime stories, creation myths offer a rich tapestry of human imagination. These myths reflect the values, fears, and hopes of the cultures that created them. These narratives often served multiple purposes, providing explanations for the unknown, moral guidance, social cohesion, and a sense of identity. They were a way to pass down important cultural knowledge and traditions. In many creation myths, the world and its inhabitants are created by a supreme being or a pantheon of deities. These deities were often seen as powerful and benevolent, shaping the world with intention and care. For example, in the Judeo-Christian tradition, God creates the world in 6 days, culminating in the creation of Adam and Eve. This story has been a cornerstone of Western religious thought for centuries. Despite their diversity, creation myths share some common themes. They often explore the origins of the universe, the role of humans, and the relationship between the divine and the mortal. They often emphasize the interconnectedness of all things and the significance of human existence within a larger cosmic order. These stories remind us of our place in the world and the greater universe. The scientific exploration of human origins presents a unique challenge: how to reconcile empirical evidence with deeply held beliefs rooted in faith and tradition. This challenge is not just academic, it touches on personal identities and worldviews, making the conversation deeply significant for many individuals. For some, the scientific and religious perspectives may seem irreconcilable, leading to conflict and tension. These conflicts can manifest in various settings, from educational institutions to family gatherings, where differing views on human origins can create rifts. However, others see the potential for harmony and dialogue, recognizing that science and religion can offer different but complementary ways of understanding the world. By focusing on shared values and mutual respect, these individuals find common ground. Science seeks to explain the natural world through observation and experimentation. It provides a framework for understanding the physical processes that shape our existence. Religion often addresses questions of meaning, purpose, and morality, which lie beyond the scope of scientific inquiry. It offers a sense of belonging and a moral compass for many people. The theory of evolution does not inherently contradict religious beliefs. Instead, it can be seen as a way to understand the mechanisms through which life has developed over time. Many religious denominations have reconciled their faith with the scientific understanding of evolution, viewing it as a process guided by a divine hand. This perspective allows for a synthesis of scientific knowledge and spiritual insight. The key is to approach these discussions with respect, open-mindedness, and a willingness to engage in meaningful dialogue. By doing so, we can bridge divides and foster a deeper understanding of both the natural world and our place within it. Despite ongoing research, a robust scientific consensus has emerged regarding the origins of our species. The overwhelming weight of evidence from fossils, genetics, and other disciplines points to an unambiguous conclusion: Homo sapiens originated in Africa. The fossil record provides compelling evidence for an African origin of humanity. The oldest known hominin fossils have been discovered in Africa, dating back millions of years. Genetic data overwhelmingly supports the out-of-Africa theory, which posits that modern humans evolved in Africa and then dispersed to other parts of the world. Analyses of genetic diversity among human populations reveal that African populations harbor the greatest genetic diversity. Studies of ancient DNA extracted from Neanderthal and Denisovan fossils have shown that these extinct hominins interbred with modern humans. This overwhelming agreement among scientists highlights the strength and robustness of the evidence supporting this theory. While we have made remarkable strides in unraveling the mysteries of human origins, the quest to understand our past is far from over. New discoveries are constantly being made, refining our understanding of human evolution and challenging existing theories. Paleontologists continue to unearth new fossils, filling in gaps in the fossil record, and providing fresh insights into our ancestors. Advances in dating techniques allow us to determine the age of fossils with greater precision. Genetic studies are also advancing at an unprecedented pace, with new sequencing technologies enabling scientists to analyze ancient DNA. Scientists are investigating the genetic and environmental factors that may have contributed to cognitive and behavioral changes. The quest to understand our origins is an ongoing journey of discovery, driven by our innate curiosity and desire to comprehend our place in the universe.